Invoicing can be done via email or, as an additional step, can also be mailed to the specific individual or department responsible for the payment of all vendors. Of course, this will depend on the size of your client. Some additional tips. Call after you've sent your first bill. Check they got your invoice and they understand what it's for. Send your invoice in an uneditable format. Frauds have intercepted emailed invoices and added their bank account info to the payment details. Take your billing completely online as opposed to mailing invoices. Whatever procedures one may employ, take into account that the goal is to timely bill your customers or clients and collect the money due to your company, certainly within 60 to 90 days. Before sending an invoice, double-check all the information to ensure it's correct and clear. Let your client know how to make a payment and the due date. Make sure you send out the invoice on time. If you mail the invoice, ensure that your client's correct address is on file. If you email the invoice, include a hyperlink to the payment system. This makes the process as easy as possible.